Good morning, everybody. Bro, it is freaking cold today. And I pinged my back. What up, guys? Good morning, good morning. Oh, dear Lord, have mercy. Whew. Yeah, it's cold today, man. Good morning, hello. Hello, everybody. Got a few first time chatters in the chat, too. Oh, fuck. Whew. Ah. 30 years old, right? Or 32. 32 years old. Thought about my back being in pain. And then just like that, it happened. Bruh. But hope everyone had a very wonderful weekend, or still having a good weekend as well. Um, we only have one section left on this carving to do. I'm going to start shaping out another piece of timber today as well. On the news, I saw your video on Reddit, and much respect, appreciate your moves, man. Hey, cheers, my bro. Welcome to the stream too, brother. So I'm currently live on Twitch as well. But thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I have a secondary YouTube channel now. I need to edit a video from last night's stream on my gaming channel as well. Reacting to the new World of Warcraft animated thing they did. Bro, it's pretty clean. It's pretty clean, bro. Alright, let's not muck around, eh? Should we get into it or have a bit of a catch up first? Afternoon, good morning, good morning. Oh, jeez. What makes it worse? It's right in the middle. Oh. Not a good way to start the Monday, ping your back. Oh, jeez. Oh, good man, have a good sleep. Alright. Let's go. So we've got one more section to do, and then we can move on. So if you haven't seen what we've been up to all the newer viewers, this is what we've been doing lately. This is called a manaya, and this is for a birthday, a joint birthday, two twins. Hence the reason why there's two heads. Now we've got one more section to dig out, and that's that little section by my hand there. But that's what we've been up to, man. So the design is called Rapi Rapi on one side, and the other one is called Hai Hai Pakati on the other. So the reason why we use Rapi Rapi, this design here, is kind of to show, you know, the hononga, or the link between the two individuals having their birthday, because you can see within that how the spiral at the middle starts with 2. It kind of likens those two individuals in this design, because they have the same birthday, twins. And that's why I use this design. Now I could have used it through the whole thing, but because, you know, the beauty about being someone in this world, no one's exactly the same. Well, unless you're an identical twin. But, you know, everyone's different. Hence the reason why I used another design here on this one. Now we still have to do the eye. But yeah. Reminds me a little bit of Viking wood carving. Yeah, I can see that. I can see that. But yeah, that's what we've been up to lately. This timber is called Rimu, R-I-M-U, which is a native timber. Majority of the time I like to use native, but I don't mind the odd pine here and there. Like the first carvings I ever did on Twitch was made out of a pine tree, which later became a coffee table, which later became the first wood carvings I ever did on Twitch. Hey, what up, Kuro? My guy, how are you, my brother? just trying to see where. Okay, so that's the plan today. We're going to cut out this section here. We'll clean up the last two. We still have to do the eyes. Ciao, brother Otter. Morning, my bro. Oh, good evening for you. So yeah, we still have to do the eyes, and then we can gradually like move on from there. But yes, if you enjoy what you see, feel free to follow, like and subscribe on YouTube, or follow on Twitch as well. If you do decide to sub, it is much appreciated too, because it helps me out in having another baby, so thanks. Alright, let's get to it, eh? You're having another baby, chat, or so far. What am I looking for? Where's my rag? One moment. How you, brother Kuro? How many hours? I would say at least, roughly, this is just a guesstimate. Maybe punching 40 odd hours, maybe? Jeez, that's like, what, quarter of Elden Ring? Is it? There's a quarter of Elden Ring? Unless you try hard and you know, do all the cheeky stuff. I actually don't know, I'm just guessing. Welcome to Monday, by the way. Hey, is it Monday? I hope church was good. Oh, I didn't go to church, I just sleeping. How many hours? Yeah. What's up, dude? Hope you're doing well. Hey, what's up, Lee? Over on YouTube. I'm doing good, man. Although I'm freezing my testiculars off today, but we're good. As long as my top half is warm, we're good to go. We're good to go. Okay. Brass monkey, whether you know that whole comment, all I saw was monkey. Coming from someone that played a lot of Winston, that's all. Or Winton. Got a holder. I just wish my drill was working, eh? It seems to have seized up on me. What happened to your back? I pinged it. Oh, the joys of being 32, my bro. But you could even sneeze and you flip your disc. As soon as I felt a pain in my back, I was like, oh, piss off. Alright, just so I know where the mouth is. Hey, what's up, my bro? How's you going, man? Bro, that was me that drove past you on the skateboards the other night. If you see some random dude in a monkey mask, it's probably just me. Alright, what are we gonna need? We're gonna need our Whakairo, otherwise known as a dog leg. I have to have injections in my knees now. I'm not even 40, got the body of a... Got the bloody body of a grandpa. I feel that, brother. Get a jab, you hooligans. Well, it's cool, bro. It's been cool as. I would get a skateboard, but my man's got no money, so I just decided to rob a car instead. Well, it's been fun though. Alright. Yeah, so this is our last bit that we need to cut out, and we've got to clean both of them. Yo, what's up, Dead Dot? Man, there's a bit of traffic on the old YouTube today, not gonna lie. Yeah, hopefully we get some good weather this week, and we'll do an IRL stream. Just get really wary of taking like the stream bag out in this crappy weather. Streaming on YouTube might be the vibe. Yeah, I will say in terms of longevity, and I've heard this from a lot of streamers. Yeah, YouTube's where it's at. When you look at the likes of like Duke Dennison, they made it put more focus into like YouTube, Laserbeam, for example. So I made that's why I made that second YouTube channel. Just do gaming content as well, but it's more for fun. Because everyone knows me as the touch wood guy. If you didn't know, chat, I played Fortnite for the first time last night. Since not the season that's currently on, the one before that was the last time I actually played it. And bro, I gotta say, it's pretty fun. I like the Marvel stuff, especially the War Machine stuff. Holy, that's fun. And that over Twitch, yeah, that's true, bro. I think moving forward from now on, I want to try and put a lot of focus into YouTube as well. Like, I'll still be streaming on the, on the daily here. But yeah, from what I've seen, yeah, YouTube is definitely the play. Yeah, and TikTok as well. It's the discoverability that TikTok has these days is unmatched on any social platform, I'd say. People go viral for like, couple second videos as well, so kind of speaks for itself too. Because everyone's on TikTok, whether they're taking a shit, having breakfast, hopefully not driving, sitting on a beach. I think that's why it gets so much traffic. Yo, what's up, Daddy Diabetes on YouTube? I like these conversations, they're nice. forest village out from that. I wish I still had I might be able to find them. All the VODs when I marathoned, or when I just did that spontaneous 24-hour of Cyberpunk. What happens on TikTok? People taking the shit. Yeah, bro, I am a shit talk indulger. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't not gonna cap about that. I'm not gonna care about that. Streamed on TikTok yesterday, reached about 200 views. Concurrent for playing Fortnite. Algorithm, yeah, bro. TikTok's algorithm is very, very, very good, my bro. I was supposed to jump on Prodigy today. So I think CG's going over to Prodigy today. But for now, I'll just focus on what I'm known for. Skyward Sword should be here at the end of the month, so we can start doing that marathon. So if some of you don't know, I've decided to marathon Zelda, starting from Skyward Sword. Yo, Andrasta Dreams, thank you very much for the raid. Thank you very much, Andrasta. Ngā nui, welcome. No mai haere mai. It's currently Monday here, and I've started it the best way possible by flipping a disc in my back. 32-year-old things. And yeah, touching wood in the morning. Hope you had a wonderful stream. What I normally do is traditional Maori wood carving. Majority of the time. Hey, the magpies are here. I'll be honest, back home in my hometown we used to get attacked by magpies, but we used to carry cricket bats with us. Imperial, the original. Holy original name over here. Thank you very much, Imperial, for the huge raid. Good morning. Morena, yeah, back-to-back raid. Holy. Thank you very much, guys. Hope you've had a wonderful stream. Once again, my name is Brock. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver, constantly touching wood in the morning, 365 days of the year. And the raids are very much appreciated because I'm having another baby. Oh my god, my fellow Twitch ambassador, OW. Okay, that is a flex though if you got a name with no special characters. I ain't gonna lie, Imperial. I'm not gonna lie. I've been trying to get rid of my underscore for about 4 years. To no avail. But thank you very much, Imperial. I hope you had a wonderful stream too. What were you up to today, guys? You gotta start hustling hard. It was a struggle to get this name, let me tell you. Oh, I bet. I bet it was. Oh, cool. Okay, I know you're a craftsman and all. Sorry, I'm not in the craftsman section. I'm in the art section. I know I should be in makers and crafting section. I know court, but yeah. I put myself in the art section. I got in the art section all the time. Okay. Glad I'm not the only one. This is that. I appreciate you. Yeah, majority of the time, like throughout the last 4 years, I've always put myself in the makers and crafting section. And I just wanted to try, being in the art section this time around. I always reassure everyone I do apologize. You won't see me drawing any of those, how's it going pictures that you normally see in the art section. Yeah. This is what I do. I'm not really good at digital art. I can draw pretty good stick man though. Yeah, I've inquired about getting rid of the underscore. However, not possible. But that's all good. One day maybe, but I think at the end of the day everyone knows who I am. Bro XH. Do you want to know who started the Bro XH meme? Trainwrecks did that. I like to swap it around because art is so broad. Let people. Yeah, I feel that. That's kind of the same. That's the same idea I had to as well. Just to like branch out and try and meet more people. Okay, how rude of me not to show the whole piece and explain what I do. So this is what I normally do. So this is called Whakairo, traditional Maori wood carving. Right here. So a little explanation about this piece here. So it is for a birthday for 2 people, hence the reason why it has, 2 heads. And they're twins. Now this form is called a manaya. A manaya can be many things in our culture. It can be, a representation of how much mana, not the blue health bar, like status they had, the individual had, because majority of the time with this art form we only carve our ancestors and they are, well and truly gone. Another thing too, what a manaya can indicate, it can show like how many children an individual had. And at the same time, a manaya is also a guardian as well that watches over us. Now that's why we have 2 of them for the 2 people that are going to receive this piece. Now it's going to suck if they live in 2 different houses, but that's up to them at the end of the day. They also are getting 2 other carvings as well. But yeah, with the manaya, the reason why I chose to use 2 different heads as well, once again, not the same person, and the different designs as well. But the design over here, the rape, R-A-P-E-R-A-P is how you spell it. Don't get it twisted with the English word, just want to say that. No. So the reason why I used rape was to show the unity between them 2, because you know how it starts, the main focal point is the middle. So it's kind of coming together, and forming one. Showcasing that unity. But the reason why I changed the design again, same reason as before, not the same person. And then we decided to do high pakati on this side. So this is the more difficult design we have with more processes, and this design is very special to me because it was the first design my uncle ever taught me. Back in the carving, back when I started carving at 12 years old. I'm now 32. So we've been at this for about 2 years. 20 years, sorry. And there's many reasons to why I'll do this until, I can't hold my tools anymore, to uphold my uncle's honor, honoring his legacy that I have to carry on now, to hopefully inspire the next generation of Maori kids that may want to pursue Whakairo, but not only that, maybe something within our culture, or just follow their passions like I did. Throughout my life there were a lot of naysayers like, you're gonna, if you're gonna keep doing this, you're gonna be a bum at the end of the day, and in the words of Chris Brown, look at me now. Yeah. But yeah, when I was a teenager back then, and I may have said, much more colourful words than the words I'm saying now. I told him to get, and I told him to shove his pen up his, and I walked out of the class. But this is something I'm very passionate about in my life. Very, very passionate. It's part of my culture too, which is a bonus as well. My people did not have a written language. We were more of an oral culture. More of an oral culture, like, face to face kind of thing, and like sharing knowledge. Or we have wānanga, which is schools of learning. We would sit down and just take in all the wisdom that our elders had. And other forms too, like this one here. Whakairo is a form of storytelling as well. Like you carve one of your ancestors, for example, and then you try and portray, what they were renowned for. Like for example, hashtag about to get pretty dark. One of my ancestors is known for killing his older brother and eating his heart. Yo, Cook Pete, thank you for the 10 months as an Optimus Prime, my bro. Thank you very much to all those that use their primes on me. Don't think about me, think about my baby. We just found out about last week. Thank you very much, guys. One thing about me too, I'm a bit of a joker as well. But yeah, as a whole, this is something I've dedicated my life to, pretty much. And if I could go back in time to see a younger version of myself, I wouldn't change a thing. Yeah, thanks, Cook Pete. Yeah, we just found out last week, brother. Number 3, which will be our very last. We always said we would stop on 3. Can you even hear the music? Okay. So once we get this done, we'll clean up both these sections too. And 2 is plenty. Yeah, bro. We yeah, it was a surprise to us, not gonna lie. But in saying that, it is what it is. It is what it is, and yeah, just take it all in and go forward, pretty much. But yeah, this baby will most likely be our last, because I do not want to keep having kids after 35. No, thank you. I'm not trying to speed run my hair to the Witcher level just yet. I mean, I look pretty badass, not gonna lie, but yeah, I'm not trying to speed run. Hello there, the messenger on YouTube. So if you can hear a lot of yelling in the background, it's just a kapa haka. Alright. Kia ora, is it Saring? Kia ora, kia ora. Damn, the YouTube be moving today. I love to see it. I don't think I'll go live on my second channel anytime soon. Kind of want to get some content on my YouTube channel and get it out there on my gaming one. Now, if you must know, I've been gaming since Sonic 1. Mega Drive. Hey, Omega, morning, my brother. Next time you're on the gaming channel, all good, my bro. Yeah, I'm gonna cut up that VOD. Cut up that VOD. Put the well one on there. Alright. Whoo! What wood do you use? Majority of the time, native timber is definitely a timber I'd prefer, but at the same time, you know, whatever presents itself to me at the time, too. You thought about doing this overseas in public? No. Because then I gotta clean it up. I have done it though, but yeah, nah, not really. I wish I was as talented as you. We'll start now and work on whatever you enjoy doing, brother. At the end of the day, you know, this is like 20 plus years too, so I would say like hard work, you know. Getting me sleepy? Nice. If you need to go to sleep, brother, just go sleep. All good. Shit. It's not unlocking. What? Let me just go and check how charged my phone is. Alrighty. Hey, morena gains. You see the Maori fighter, Whakairo? Yeah. I saw the videos. I didn't really watch UFC, but yeah, I saw the video. Cause I'm Maori, bro. Going to sleep, sir? You have a good sleep, brother. Yeah, I was what was I up to yesterday? Just editing yesterday. Alrighty. You gotta pop in the octagon and if it's there. Alright, let's move over a little bit. No tires allowed. I think with Whakairo saying that too, it's good for our people as a whole because our people are going for a lot of strife at the moment, you know, with like the government and all that. So I feel like, you know, Whakairo doing that hopefully has some form of you know, hope for our people because yeah, we are not doing too well in our own country right now. Bro, it is cold, bro. Have you watched anything lately? Me and my wife finished House of the Dragon season 2. She started to get into Game of Thrones now, which is cool. But I really enjoyed it. It was cool. I'll be honest, when it comes to House of the Dragons, I think I just like the dragons more. Looks a bit windy. Yeah, it is a bit windy. Sorry if the mic starts popping. I might be a bit quiet too. Let me just turn it mic up a little. The old jacket blowing in the wind. Yeah. Morning, TikTok. Morena, how are yous? Bear here. Living legend. Oh. Today would be a good day for a hot pool, but you know, don't want to waste money on that. How are you, TikTok Morena? Hope you're well. Go stop what you're doing, Brox's life. Kia ora. Hope we all had a good weekend. I had a good weekend. Spring cleaning. Cleaned the whole house. How good is it sitting in a clean house, hey? Woo. Washing done and everything. you like rugby? Yeah, bro. I didn't watch the All Blacks game on the weekend. No, I was busy. Way too busy. Nice, bro. Got in early with the spring clean. Yeah. Like, especially with like the kids away. Moving in to the next season, so it feels good. The simple things in life. Hey, thank you very much to Marshmallow Cereal for the tier 1 for 2 months. Thanks for the chill and interesting streams, mate. Hey, appreciate you, brother. Thank you very much for supporting me again, my bro. Thank you very, very much, brother. Where are we? I'm starting to renovate my mum's house for her at the moment. I'll show you some pics, bro. I love me a good reno, my bro. Big snow here in Taona. Oh, yeah. I think when we were leaving Queenstown earlier in the month, that's when, it started snowing a little bit. Glad to see you still streaming. Thank you, OCE Janitor. Cheer, my bro. How long have you been streaming for? 4 and a bit years now. Yeah, well over 4 years. I had 4 years back in April. Definitely, still a blessing to this day to be able to do this full time with your guys' support as well. That's why I try and carve as much as I can for you guys. Oh, local drug addict walking by. You kind of know they're on something when, their jaws are going, one more time. Going like a Daft Punk song. Sad to see, not gonna lie. Sad to see. But what can you do, eh? Thank you very much for the aroha on TikTok as well. How's winter in Australia? I don't know, I'm not from there. Ask them, my bro. Jeez. There's not be that much timber left. I might turn it over. Cause are you in the park? Nah. I don't live down there. I'm from Ngāti Whakairo, but yeah, I don't live down there. Kia ora, Jimmy. Hope you're having a good day. Other than pinging my back, yes. You know what sucks? I thought about it and it happened. So I'm currently carving with a sore back, but as long as you enjoy it, it's all worth it at the end of the day. Just wish my drill was working finally so it'd make this process easier. Te whare tangata. Manifested a bad backup. Yeah, pretty much, my bro. Can you make a cross after this? No, thank you. I'm good. I am thinking, like, just to take a break from Whakairo, but still keep wood carving. Carve something from WoW. Hello, brother. Hope you have a wonderful day. Hit to stop by and say hello. Cheer, brother. California raised. Do you do this as a job? Whakairo has been something I've been passionate about since I was 12. Oh, I just banged the camera. Yeah, since I was 12 years old. Pretty much. Where are ya? I'd say my job as a whole right now is streaming, pretty much, and I've found it. Boom. Thank goodness for that. Pretty much, I've manifested a backpack. Thank you very much, Bo. Have you ever seen the movie? Yeah, I have. Did you know that these events actually happened? But something else about that, it happened where I'm from, where they went hiding in the bush. Having a hobby? What's that? Oh, having a hobby? Cheers, my bro. Alright. Thank you, Bo and Florin. Hobby. Oh, yeah. Oh, and saying that too, I feel like this isn't really a hobby to me. My culture has been something I've been really passionate about since I was a young buck. But it's part of my culture, so hence the reason why I love it so much too. Porotehi. What makes me love this even more is it's something that's been a part of my family for the generations too. Thank you, Bo. Okay, where are we? Hold up. Why ain't this sitting properly? It should be all good. Should be. Oh, goody. What's up, Adam? The accent always satisfies me. Well, hi, how are you? I got these guns from Texas. Behold, my stuff. I call them Destroy. I love that line, man. I know everyone loves Korg, but bro, he's probably my favorite in Love and Thunder. I got these guns from Texas. I'll call them Destroy. Think of how many people we've reached out to. If someone said Whakairo to me before I saw you, I wouldn't know what the fuck they were on about. True that. My favourite creature? Hey, yo, you calling me a creature? I will say that though, a questionnaire came up in Fortnite when I was playing it last night, and it said, how did you fare against the NPC or the creature? I was like, bro, they're legit just calling their player-based creatures right now, bro. Nah, you're good, you're good. About to go to sleep. All good, brother. Rest well, King. Rest well. If you are watching the stream at silly o'clock, take your ass to bed. Staying up late at night is cringe, bro. Let's hear from Wanaka. Jay. Where are we? Especially you, Otter. Jeez. This fella stays up way too late. Let me just mute my phone real quick. Morena Nanya. Nah, all good, Petcha. Appreciate you, my bro. Have a good sleep though, brother. Always good to have a good boy, my bro. Alright. Whew. Where are we? Nā mihi nui ki a koe Zone. Thank you very much, Stuff. Kia ora. Okay. Oh. He huri. Poro tehi. Thank you very much for the roses, guys. Sorry if you can't see me real quick. Pakasi. Long time no see. Oh, jeez. Okay, let's readjust. Thank you very much. Hey, Toro, long time no see, bro. Sure. Thank you for the 48 months, my bro. It is a bloody long time. Alright. Hey. What's from the Philippines? Did you watch the UFC? Nah, I don't really watch UFC, brother. What was I doing? I was just chilling watching movies yesterday. You're not wrong, and Roblox subscription and to my will with this one. Yeah, go on. Hope you've been well though, my bro. Kia ora, Curtis Mills. Alrighty. Let's carry on here. I'm just putting it up this high, just feeling it in the back a little bit, not gonna lie. Thank you very much to those that are subbing to the channel. If you want to support me more, and if you haven't already, chuck a follow on the YouTube, TikTok, or Twitch. Thank you to those that are sending gifts as well on YouTube, on Twitch. Thank you very much. On TikTok, far out. Monday-itis much. Thank you very, very much. And to those that have resubbed or subbed to the channel on Twitch as well, much appreciated for supporting me. Bloody YouTube ads, I tell you. Okay. Yeah, that's the reason why I'm putting this up a little bit higher, just for my old ass. I was feeling it a little bit there before. Okay. Where did you learn all the stories and the legends? It's from my uncle, my grandfather, my teachers. Pretty much. It's all like, generational knowledge, eh? It's all been passed down. Same with Whakairo. We had no way to record history other than, you know, being face to face. We had no written language. That looks nice, thank you very much. Nerve-wracking? Oh, it can be, but you know, just take it off bit by bit, eh? Just to so it's not nerve-wracking. If my drill was working, this would have been done ages ago. But it's not for some reason. I think it's because I haven't used it in so long here. That's probably the reason why. Bro, my laptop is playing right up, shit, I tell you. I think what I'm going to start doing is just using the IRL backpack because this laptop is getting cooked the more and more I use it. And I'm a bit weary about taking it to a shop. Thank you very much, is it Charlie? For the Optimus Prime? Kia ora, Charlie. Hey, the Nom! Chill, bro. I have an interesting one. How do you mitigate splitting from environmental influences? Take it inside, pretty much. That's the counter to splitting. Just take it inside. That is yeah, the only counter I'd say that I can do. Just by you taking it inside. It's kind of how I've been doing it lately. Okay, let's put there. Okay, I'm gonna have to lie it down. No, I don't really choose a specific grain or design. Just the easiest way to like counter like splitting. See, take it inside. Have you ever done a totem pole, things like that? Yeah, we call them tiko tiko in my culture. I've done many in my life. Haven't done one recently though. But who knows, I might even do a carving for myself soon. Really want to... I want to really want to do something like that. Oh yeah. If it's free, the grain's good, pretty much. Just see many things end up with splits. Yeah, it's normally like kind of weather conditions, although, you know, conditions change extremely. Like summer's coming up and that can be a great time. Just with all the heat as well, and you know the world getting hotter and hotter. The majority of the time I just take them inside. What is it in your country? What's what, brother? Maori wood carving? Also, we're going to be doing a art stream tonight too. So a bit of a double dipping stream. I'm going to be drawing up a carving tonight. If I get the timber shaped today. I do want to do that today though. Evening streams are cool too. Yeah, they're a different vibe. I like doing the evening streams, I ain't gonna lie. 2 nails and some strings for the streaming setup. I remember that too. I remember that too. And yeah, they're still there. There they are right there. I'll be taking those with me eventually. They're still there. Some long claw. Hey, tell that bitch that I'm changing. Tell that bitch that I'm changing. Hey, how you, my bro? Probably try get into Prodigy today. But ideally, if people stay on NoPixel, I might try and help. I might try and help on NoPixel if some of the CG members decide to stay. I know like Suarez and Patar might stay. Might try and link up with them. How you, Longclaw? Bro, I've been really enjoying Rami's streams, bro. OMG, my spelling. Hey, my spelling's not that good too, so we got something in common. My father did cowing before he passed too. Love your lives, bro. Kia ora, Zoe. Nā mihi tuahine. What's up, brother Sturdy? Where are we? Where are we? Cheer, brother 6MK. Cheer, bro. Sorry, I missed that on YouTube. Yeah, to those that don't know, I will be marathoning The Legend of Zelda from all the marathons that I've seen, especially one from the bro Pez, who's marathoning Final Fantasy. If you want to check him out, his name's Pez, P-E-Z, on Twitch. I think he's got a TikTok. But he used to be my manager, but he's still a good bro too. It was one of his marathons that kind of made me want to try and do one of my own. And so the game I chose was The Legend of Zelda. And we have to start at Skyward Sword first. So I'm gonna be doing the timeline, but at Ocarina of Time, I'm gonna go up to Majora's Mask. That's the timeline that I'm gonna follow. I haven't played Majora's Mask at all. I haven't really. When like Majora's Mask was out, I didn't come from the most. Well, we didn't have the most money in my childhood to get it. But my cousin, voice crack. My cousin had Ocarina of Time, and we played the absolute shit out of that one. Who is this current piece for? It's actually for 2 twins. This piece, that's why it's got like 2 heads on it, 2 different designs. When will the marathon be? Skyward Sword gets here on the 30th of this month. I had like money on my Amazon account from Twitch, so I just thought I'd use that instead of like actually buying it, if it makes sense. Does that make sense? Yeah, so I think it's Skyward Sword. I don't know the other Zelda. It's the one that he had a bird head. I don't know too much about Zelda other than Ocarina of Time. But I think a lot of people from from the 90s, early 2000s played a lot of OOT. Let's get this done, eh? Looks awesome, thank you. Oh, I was explaining this, eh? Yeah, so this is a manaya, to those that don't know. Now, the reason why there's two heads and why they're different, obviously, you know, this world we live in, no one is exactly the same, unless you're an evil twin or an evil clone. But essentially, this is, yeah, for two individuals. They're lucky they're getting two carvings. But this commission itself is very near and dear to my heart as well, because it was my uncle's last commission. Now, as most of you know, my uncle passed away and he never got to finish it, so it kind of fell to me to get it done. Now, the main reason why it's so special to me, because, you know, I want to protect his legacy and, you know, honour him. And this is kind of my form of closure as well, to remember him, pretty much. That's yeah, one of the main reasons why this current commission that I'm doing is near and dear to me. So we had to do this. We had to do this and two hoi. Hoi are petals. So the hois are pretty much done. Hopefully this week we can get our Denzel Washington on and have our staining day. Get that done. I hope I have nephews like you one day. Oh, me too. But yeah, in saying that though, even my kids know how much this means to me. So, because the last time I actually got to spend time with my uncle when he was alive, unfortunately, was at my wedding back in March. Thankfully, there's videos there of Uncle, you know. Got to have what I never knew was my last conversation with him. Just talking about, you know, how proud he was of me and how far I've come in life to where I am now. So, yeah, it kind of hits even more like after that, you know. Thank you, Stan. Be aware, I might take a break soon because my back is getting in terms of pain, but let's push. Greetings, what's up, Dardo? Where are we? Okay, we're good. Peace and love, brother. What's up, Better? It's what this damn world needs the most right now. Peace and love. Representation of New Zealand. Joe, bro. Redeem, posture check. Okay, let me just do one more thing and then we'll have a posture break. Okay, rest it in there. Love from Norway. Cheer, my brother. Hey, that's a giraffe. Thank you for the giraffe, man. That's a new one. Yoga with audience led by Brox. Hell no. Love from Scotland. Hey, brother. What wood do you use? What wood am I using? So this is Rimu. It's a native. R-I-M-U is how you spell it. But yeah, this is, thank you, Dildo. Okay, buddy. That is definitely a guy. That is definitely a man. Ooh. Do you ship abroad? Yeah, I do. Last piece we sent was to Aussie. First piece we sent was to America. Well, we'll send 2 pieces to America now. What up? What's up, Tyro? What timber? Rimu. R-I-M-U, brother. Hey, I gotta ask Americans. What's the difference? Is it a fraternity? What's a sorority? What's the difference? I know, is it fraternities are the girls ones? Or no, it's a sorority, right? Is it? So how do you get the free timber? I normally go to a wood recycling centre and buy it. If not, you know, I have contacts that'll just give it. Or I just go home and get some off the side of the road. Fraternity is for men, so okay. I don't know American college that much, so yeah, I always wondered what the difference was. Nah, I lie, it's just because I watched Pitch Perfect the other day, that's why. Thank you very much to The Rook for the Optimus Prime. Thank you, brother. Alright. Here we go now. Hold on now. Okay, thank you very much, The Rook, for the Optimus Prime. I'll just do this one last bit and then I have a break, I promise. Fuck, I really wanted to train back today too. Gah. Alright, let's stand them up. Let's have a bit of a break. Not for you, but for me. We should be giggity good. Oh, jeez. Love your work. Appreciate you, brother. No problem. Hey, Uzo. What's good today, Brox? Hope you're having a good day. Should be. My phone won't charge anymore. Hey, do you have to do the boa constrictor tactic too? My phone's currently on that phase, the boa constrictor tactic, when you gotta wrap your charger around your phone multiple times so it'll charge. A lot of people are like, "Oh, just buy a new phone," but for me, I don't change phones or anything till the wheels fall off. Pretty much, I'm that guy. How long does it normally take to make one of these? It kind of depends. Depends really. Bro, I'm that guy, bro. Like, I ain't gonna get a new phone till it's broken. Crack up charging technique. Hey, if it works, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it, bruh. Oh man, jeez. Woo. Chimo bro. Hey, what's up, Ross? What's up? Is it Jiven? Maybe. How's it going? What's up, Bronny? Bromy, yeah, going good, brother. Going good. I'm actually excited to play WoW this week. I've been waiting, bro. Waiting for the next expansion. Where are we? Thank you very much, Cam, for the roses. I'm on the North Island, brother. I have my wife's old phone and car. New phone goes to the missus and you get hers. Oh, really? What's your favorite thing to do other than Whakairo, which I love to do? Be a dad. Being a dad is one of my highlights in life as well. Being a father of 2, soon to be 3. How do you purchase pieces that you design? It kind of depends, like if I have commission slots open. At the moment I've got, do you have a dream car? One that I don't have to pay for, that's really high end. That will fit all my family in it. That's probably my dream car. A very good car that I don't have to pay for. Lamborghini. Lamborghini Urus. Nah, that's probably a gas guzzler. What's your favorite song you listen to? At the moment it's been, I think Hanuman Kind has been a pretty dope song. After that, I'd say, but I've been listening to Post Malone and Dolly Parton's song. Bro, that's cool. I like that song. Buy a bus. Hell no. Planning to visit NZ soon. Any suggestions? Queenstown is definitely a must. That's where me and my wife went for our honeymoon. Beautiful place down there. And then we made the drive to Milford Sound. Keep in mind it's like 200 and something k's both ways. But the drive there was actually pretty cool. Opinion on Dr. Pepper. At first I didn't like it. But after a while, I had tried it one more time. Went, it's actually not too bad. No, it's probably because I had one in America, a proper one. Company car with company fuel. I feel that, man. I feel that. How did you get into this? My uncle introduced it to me when I was 12. So I've been doing it ever since. I turn 33 next month. So you've been doing it for a wee while. Oh, jeez. What can I train today then, other than back? What's your favorite sport? Rugby. I was gonna say esports, but yeah, probably rugby. Yeah. Happy early birthday! Hey, thank you, man. Yo, no name. Thank you very much, bro. And Hezo fam. Thank you very much to Zularin for the Optimus Prime. Thank you very much to those using their primes on me on Twitch too. I really appreciate it. As we inch closer and closer to the daily subs goal, appreciate the info. And yeah, Rogue, another place I'd check out is Cathedral Cove. So I think you'll be coming to the country in the relatively warmer side of the year. Cathedral Cove is beautiful down in Coromandel along the coast there. Thank you for the biddies, bro. Yeah, definitely. One place I still want to visit is right up the up the top of the North Island, and Te Rerenga Wairua is what it's called. At the very top of the North Island, it is said that our loved ones that pass on head there before they move into the next life as well. What day next month? 23rd. That's the closest thing I have to Michael Jordan is my birthday. Kia ora from Wales. Kia ora. Have you ever been to Fiji? No, I haven't. The only places I've been is Australia and America. I went to Sydney for Wrath of the Lich King Classic launch, then Melbourne for PAX, and then America. This was last year. I went to Las Vegas for TwitchCon, and then after that I went to BlizzCon. I won't lie, I enjoyed BlizzCon way more. It's just because I play WoW, but at the same time it wasn't as busy as Las Vegas. Las Vegas is a very busy city, and I'm a very easygoing, somewhat of a country boy, so it's a bit much for me. Hey, cheer brother Ed. What's that shaky thing? What's that emote? Oh, it's a mana wave. Do you watch UFC? Nah, not really, brother. Any repair on the hoodie? Yeah, I want to get it repaired. I definitely should, because it's like the last. It's like the last remnants of my grandfather that I have. My girl used to play online with you years ago. Playing what? What race are you? Maori. Kia ora, Nate. How's your weekend? Good, moment, bro. I did like a big ass spring clean, so I was loving it. I love spring cleaning, bro. But yeah, spring cleaning, just thinking about, the next 9 months, pretty much. The next 9 months and how it's gonna go down. And yeah, thank you very much for the gifts. Just changing a few things in our lives to be more healthier, be more active again. Just for my wife as well. I really want to try and be as much of a rock as I can be for these next 9 months too. Like, it's only early stages, but at the same time she's got the carrying to do. Yeah, in my opinion. Oh, jeez. Are you in New Zealand? If so, whereabouts? I live in Rotorua. So the place that smells like rotten eggs pretty much, but also I'm from another place outside of Rotorua too, where I grew up majority of my life. Yeah, still early days. We're just taking it as we go. Do you have a YouTube? Yeah, my YouTube is just Brooks. My gaming one that I just made recently is Planet Brooks. Everything into perspective. Yeah, mythical. So I've been, that's probably one of the main reasons why I'm not going to go to TwitchCon too. Maybe not even next year either. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. I don't really like to think too far ahead in time. How did you get into woodcarving? My uncle introduced it to me when I was 12. And have pretty much been going ever since. You look like yay? Hell no, I got my shit together. I'm not crashing out every day. I don't think I look like yay. Plus I'm poorer than him, so hey. What's your content? So I do traditional Maori wood carving. So this is what I've been working on here. So I've been working on that. So more so for me, it's a lot of like just it's kind of showcasing my culture. That's the main thing, and but most of all, it's showcasing Maori wood carving. That's kind of like the main thing for me. The camera quality is crisp, bro. I'm just raw dogging it off my phone. Kia ora from Ireland, hey brother. Yes, I haven't done something that simple in years, but it feels good to do something that simple. How's the weather been down here, bro? Shit hairs, my bro. Roughly how many years you done this for? I started at 12, I'm 32. It's about 20 years, and still learning to this day. There's always something new to learn every day, I'd say. Okay. Bro, been cuck all weekend up it. Yeah, bro. Hard. Thank you, Sean Fullman. Oh, Fulham. Sorry, brother. But yeah, I've been doing this for a hot minute, brother. What do you do for a living? Stream, but also do carving commissions as well. Fuck up. Yeah, I've been streaming for about four years. 4 years now. I've had the man for a weekend. Oh, get this man to the ICU, my bro. Thank you, RJ the boy. Cheer, brother. We'll get back into it soon. I followed you on Twitch. Oh, thank you, gang. Love you, man, from Twitch. Thank you, Mia. Yeah, I was gonna do a TikTok post of my other YouTube channel, but I don't know if I should or not. Hey, from England. Kia ora, Paddy. Whakapania. Alright, we'll get back into it, eh? Yeah, let's get back into it. Alright. Surely that's enough of a break, I reckon. Hopefully. Oh man. Woo. Short hello? Hello. See, look at that. It was pissing down a moment ago. Now it's freaking sunny. Clear blue sky. Hey, aloha, Francis. Okay. Here we go. Whew. Save ye? Yeah, okay. I think man needs to just look in the mirror and, save himself. Is he crashing out again? Okay. How are you? I'm all good, brother. My back's in pain, but it's not gonna stop me from streaming for you guys. Okay. Oh man. Hey man, what are you making? We are carving something called a manaya, brother. Now this is the back of the carving. I'll show you the front soon. This is just some, gotta get it from certain angles as well. Some crazies. Can put in a release pane. I'll probably just put deep heat on, to be honest, and stretch my back. I actually like the smell of deep heat, I ain't gonna lie. Crazy after all this time you pop up again. Good to see you again, bro. What's up, Sarah? Is it Soraya? Kia ora anō. Oi. I'll follow you. You are a nice dude. I found you randomly and I don't regret it. Oh, chill, bro. Welcome, my bro. Welcome. Just remember, if you have any questions, there's nothing wrong with asking. There's no such thing as a silly question, too. Need to invent a carving setup that lets you stand straight up. No, I just need a higher table, that's all. But the drawback of if I was to make one outside is it stays outside. That's why I'm just kind of sticking to what I have. And then hopefully one day, if we ever buy a house or we find a house that's affordable to rent, which I highly don't think that's ever going to happen anytime soon, because this country's going to shit. Yeah. But I've mentioned to the stream multiple times when it comes to like a point where we have where I can carve in a shed with 4 walls. I'll probably carve at different times too. Like some later, some earlier. Because for me, the thing I want to do the most is showcase Whakairo live for everyone. And the hard thing about being a streamer that we have to overcome is these damn time zones. That's the hard thing. I feel like it'll be more genuine for people to see it being done live. Instead of, me posting up a VOD and leaving it there. So I feel like everyone that's watching can have more of a connection like to it, in my opinion. My idol, I'll try and be the best example I can for you, good sir. Hey bro, can you greet? Okay. Kia ora, Selwyn. I heard it's your birthday today, so happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful day today. Yeatsman, or whoever asked me to say happy birthday to you, can shout you McDonald's today. And I hope you have a beautiful day. Just remember, look after yourself, keep leveling up, keep learning something new every day, and make sure you redeem the free McDonald's. Alright, have a good birthday. That's the catch. If people ask me to say, can you say happy birthday to someone, I'm gonna put it back on. Usually you have to buy the McDonald's. Yeah, what's up, Uriel? I've been doing it like that for years. Hope you're having a great day. You too, Spoon. Alright, how many, holy, 8, was that 6 or 8 out of the daily? Hey, what's up, TikToker? Do you support football or soccer? I'll be honest, I don't really like that sport. Diving is kinda cringe. You can fart on their ankle and they shatter their Achilles, I tell you. Yeah, so I never really took a liking to the sport for that stuff. I thought it was that's kind of dumb. Rugby or basketball? Rugby. Single and searching. You've come to the wrong place, dear. Go outside and look for it. Hold on, guys. Thank you, Maddie. Another. Yeah. People were starting to be silly, so I was like, oh, those kind of comments are annoying me, so I just changed the title. I know they're just trying to have a laugh, but at the same time, it's still hoo-ha. Totally pronounced it in my head what I thought. Maori way. What's your favorite show? I don't watch TV. Yeah, I don't really watch TV, my bro. Two more away from 10 on the daily sub goal, Fano. Fuck. Hold up. Thank you very much for the aroha on TikTok as well, guys. How are we doing Twitch and YouTube? What are you doing? Carving a manaya. Can you show us your work? Yep, after I've done this. Enzo. I can't even see it from here. Hold on. Enzo Golomi, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. Oh, we're 7. I thought we were 8. Thank you. I haven't seen this man in ages. Hello. Sorry, I had something in my eye there. Whew. Kinga iwi katoa. Is that a gazebo in your garden? No, I don't own a gazebo. I wish I did though, because summer's coming. Well, those cost a lot, man. 2:16. Is that what time it is for you, brother? Hold on, chat. Whew. God damn. Box, did you watch UFC? No, I didn't. I did see Kaikara though. Where about are you from? Aotearoa, New Zealand. I stay in Rotorua. On the petrified fish, pretty much. Alright. Let me just do this. Bro, I cannot wait for GTA 6. I've been thinking about GTA 6 quite a lot lately. Definitely gonna play their game a hell of a lot without no cheats. Greetings from Mexico, kia ora. Do you watch rugby? Yes I do, brother, yes I do. Does Aotearoa translate to Rotorua? No, Aotearoa is the name of the country. Rotorua is the name of the city I live in. Aotearoa is New Zealand's original name. Do you watch football? Nah, not really, brother. Thank you, Gracie Sloth and Amy. Kia ora. Sorry, I think I know they're with family and you put them. Yeah, you're all good, Sean. All good, bro. No stress, brother. Love the streams, man. Keep going. Hey, thank you, brother. Solo, when you going back to NoPixel? I've been going into NoPixel like every day. Yeah, like GTA RP is all I've been enjoying, like game wise lately, pretty much. But yeah, I've been going in like every day. Obviously, it's a bit hard because you know the main thing I stream is Whakairo. And I can't hang out with CG there much because they're normally on around these times. Are you a Waz fan? Nah, not really. I've been a fan of the Cowboys pretty much. And I don't really Bandwagon. Yeah. I don't bandwagon that much, so can barely hear you. Might just be you, bro. There we go. See, look, it's all cut out now. Obviously, we still gotta clean it all out. You know, still gotta clean it out. But yeah, that's him. Yeah, might just be him. Reminds me of Korg. Yeah, I haven't really done anything this simple in a long time. But it feels good to do, you know, going back to it all. You know, you Storm, it's good for you, still jamming, tell Lang Kiffy. Oh, my character doesn't really know Lang that much. Yeah, the thing with me, I'm not really a self-insert when it comes to like RP. But in terms of my character, he's been hanging out with CG pretty much. I kinda couldn't join BBMC because I was focusing more on my wedding at the time. But in saying that too, I think I'm just done with like MCRP for now. I've been a part of it for so long. I needed a change up. But really been enjoying RPing with CG when I get the chance. Got a platform to buy? No, I usually do all my stuff via email, but at the moment I'm not taking any. Yo, Boxboy! Thank you for the 48 months as a tier 3. What a bloody long time, my bro. Thank you very much. Appreciate all those that have subbed on Twitch. It is a bit of a slow day today, but I appreciate your guys' support nonetheless. Where are we? What's the next project? The Waka? No. I've got to carve something for someone from CG. My boy Jaja on Twitch. I'm going to be doing the carving for him next. Yeah, my boy Jaja Blue. He's our next one. Because they had 4 chickens. What the hell, bloody hell? Chicken coops. I like the heck with chicken. Speaking of chicken coops, now when they paint the cages black and you can't see anything, makes it more aesthetically pleasing. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, this piece ain't done. What we have to do now, we gotta clean the back out, clean all the back out, and then I'll put a design on it. I'm not putting my name on this carving mainly because it's for a birthday. I don't want to be that guy. I give it to the person that's having their birthday, Nickman, and it's got my name on the back. So I'll put a little design in here. I'll put a little design in somewhere just to show that, oh look, Brox did this carving. Pretty much. Okay. But yeah, that's initially what the plan is gonna be. Israel Adesanya remake. Oh, I didn't even watch his fight. Saturday, went to school with him and didn't even watch his fight. I was just too busy being an adult yesterday. Responsibilities and all, you know. Hey, Rockstar, I just woke up, managed to catch a stream. Oh, kia ora, bro. How cold is it over there? Oh, it was cold this morning. It's gotten a bit warmer now. Kai Kara France or Steve. Obviously, I'm going to go with Kai. He's Maori just like me. Why would I go with someone that's, you know, Steve. Every time I see the word Alan or Steve, it reminds me of their big ass beaver from their meme video. Alan, Steve. Yeah, obviously I'm gonna go for my own people. How long have we been live for on Twitch right now, guys? 2 hours? Where was the Steve guy from? Aussie? Aussie fighter? Thank you for the raises, bro. Sure, Aussie, yeah. Was he from Aussie? Oh, 2 hours, okay. Was he from Aussie? Yeah, I don't really follow like UFC that much at all. Have you seen monkeypox, eh? Lockdown again? Oh, you're posting lockdown. Oh, I thought you meant currently trying to start lockdowns again for monkeypox. Yeah, if he gets the title, he'll be the first Maori UFC champion who's a Maori. I hope he cracks it, obviously, you know. Without a doubt, my bro. Okay. Mum's from Wellington. Oh, she? Joe. Lol, no humble that you are... What? So you don't want me to support the Maori fighter that's Maori like me? The hell, bro? Hey, Chef Thunder. Yeah, it'll definitely be a sight to see if he, you know, gets that milestone in the future. Oh, I thought you mean that's not humble. Hoping the Maori guy wins. I don't know, brother. That's never something I'll say I am. It's kind of weird, eh? If you do that. Yo, Patty Keggs. Thank you for the 18 months, my brother. It's a tier 1. Amy here, my bro. Thank you very much. My youngest daughter's looking at me. Paviri Madi blame the chips away. Yeah, I'll pick them all up later and bury them. Ooh, careful now. Careful now. You from New Zealand? Yeah, brother. Just my baby's home today. Their kohanga was closed today because they've been at the marae for the last few weeks while the kohanga got renovated. Yeah, my big girl's in school today though. They still don't know. We'll probably tell everyone soon, maybe. Hey, what's up, Muzza? Cheers, brother. Kia ora, kia ora. We're here. What you hoping for? Ah, nothing really. Just a healthy bubba. Just healthy, yeah. That's the main thing. Okay. Last one though. My first two kids were teenagers when we had number 3. One of them said, "You always ruin it, Dad." That sounds like your middle child that would have said that. Brought a tear to my genuine guy. Hey, brother. Do you sell the artwork you made? Yes, I do. This one, so this commission is one of 3. So there's this, I'll get the other 2. So with the individuals receiving this carving, they're also getting hoi as well, or pero. This is one of them. This is the one my uncle finished before he passed away. Head. And the eyes as well. Abalone seashell. And here you go. So this is the one my uncle done. Yo, Pines, thank you for the 29 months, brother. Yeah, so my uncle did this one. And this is the one I did. No eyes yet. Yeah, this is the one I did. Yeah, so this is my one that I finished. And this is my uncle's one. So this was pretty much the last carving he did before he passed, pretty much. So all in all, these guys are getting like a carving each and one to share. Pretty much. Bloody lucky if I'd say so myself. Quite a bit of money as well in terms of payment, but what I did instead was ask for the funds to be given to my auntie, my uncle's wife, because, you know, financially, to help out financially. And what I get out of this is, you know, upholding my my uncle's legacy. That was the thing I thought about the most, more than you know, money. Yeah, was to just do it for my uncle. I try to keep it initially the same shape as his. I don't normally go for pedals this kind of shape. I normally do the longer, sleeker looking ones. But yeah, we're gonna have a big staining day pretty much. So that's what yeah, we've done. So you can see the side by side with my uncle's one. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, passing the torch pretty much. But now my auntie's like, oh, can we have stands? I'm like, I'll just get a guitar stand, eh? Yeah, one of those ones in me. I want to say it, but I was going to say it sounds like a you problem, auntie. Sounds like a you problem, my auntie. Yo, wow. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. 8 out of 30 on the daily sub goal. Mondays, man. Give her a saw and a chisel. Good luck. It's like, bah. Wasting my wood on bloody stands. You didn't even give me wood to make them. It's like, come on, auntie. Slaying up my timber, bro. Bro's reading out made up comments. Bro, who hurt you? I'm live on Twitch, YouTube, and TikTok. Bro woke up with his undies on backwards. Holy, bro, who hurt you? You're actually live? Yeah, on TikTok. Where's that language from, Aimvin? How do you pronounce your name? It's just Brox, the H is there to look cool. Pretty much. But I love my fellow Polly. Hey, cheers, my bro. Samoan. Oh, Chew, where you from, bro? Where are you living these days? You from Aotearoa? Or are you living in Aotearoa? Or are you living abroad? How you going, cuzzy? Oh, you're not too bad, bro. Just cleaning, pretty much. Oh. Awesome art. Thank you, brother. Where are we? Your work is so zen for me. Hey, appreciate you, my bro. Thank you very much, Mozza, for the Optimus Prime. Kia ora, my bro. You want to know what sucks, though? The battery on the laptop is running out. Now, if you're new to the channel, my laptop just decides to not take power sometimes, which bloody sucks, to be honest. Thank you for the kia oras, Jays. And I've just got to keep an eye on the battery all the time. I should really go and get it fixed, though, I ain't gonna lie. I should, but at the same time I'm like, fuck. Costs. I haven't seen you in a while. Hey, Aku, no, I hope you've been all good, bro. I got married, brother. And before people go, well, actually, where's your wedding ring? I don't wear it when I'm carving. Do you trace your lines before you carve it? Yeah, like just a general line. Pretty much. Hold on, chat. Just the flow of the body. That's what I'm looking at right now. Groove Spirals. Yeah, so it's called Rapi, brother. How long have you been doing this for? Since I was 12. I'm now 32. Turning 33. Bit of an old guy. Oh yeah, for a little while, brother. For a little while. Wonder if Rami's live today. Hopefully. That's awesome, dude. Thank you, brother. Yeah, this is kind of like my calling in life that I found. Thank you for that. Was that a galaxy that I saw? I feel like I get a growling if I don't acknowledge it and I miss it. Having a great time at the peeps in life. Hey, as long as everyone's having a good time here and it helps them in any way, shape or form, that's a W, bro. That's a W. Oh man. What am I gonna train today with my back and pain? What should I train today? Fuck, I don't know. I don't want to do arms, they're boring. Let's try and get a genuine sweat up today on the Stairmaster maybe. What's going on? We still live? Disconnection vibes chat. Come here to relax. Never upset. Oh, that's good. No, I think the people there would get upset by this. Most of those activists, they're like throwing paint everywhere. They're normally the ones that are upset at everything. I don't know what paint's gonna solve, but you know, if that's what they want to do, then go hard, I guess. Waste a good paint, to be honest. Oh yeah. Nah, it froze for me, but all good now. Yeah. I just saw a little hiccup there. Hey Philip, kia ora, bro. Time for a jumper, man. Yeah. A lot of people like DM me, mocking me about this jacket that I wear. But the truth is, I have had this jacket since 1995. My grandfather gave it to me. And yeah, still wearing it to this day. And I only just ripped it this year. I was pretty gutted about that, I'm gonna lie. But yeah, I've had this jacket for years. And it's kind of the last thing I have of him. Pretty much all his horses were either wild or went wild or died. He was known for the horses that he raised. Was that what you would say? Raised horses? I have no idea. From Melbourne, Wale Mahi. Hopefully the boss doesn't snap it. Hopefully the boss likes the stream so he can play it and do work at the same time. Never know, if the boss is having a bad day, tell him to tune in. Her. Sorry, him or her. Where are you famous from? If you want me to be completely honest, from over there, like in that grass patch over here, from here. Yeah, no, I'm being like genuinely honest with you. No hea koe. No te aroa engari no tūhoi me te aroa hoki I tipu ake au I roto I te whārua o rua tāhuna. Te tau roa mano iwa. I peka atu au ki konei. Ki te ako I te whakapapo o tōku kuia. And have been here ever since. Yeah, just that patch of grass over there, pretty much. Mai rua toki koe. Go up the river a bit more. Probably just can't recognise you without the tower they're ringing up at the sky. You want to know something? That orange tower is gone too. Now that I think about it, yeah. Ai ai. No kora. Engari no tūhoi whānui ki tōku nei whakapapa pērai a koe. O pērai a nā tangata katoa o tūhoi really. That's why I left home. Kia kore ai mo I tahi ai te taho o nā kazis. Pērā ki nā whanaunga o te kāinga. Sold it on eBay. Oh, I haven't had that word in ages. Isn't that like... Oh, oh no. eBay. Is eBay still a thing? Keep the bloodline pure. Now, I remember growing up, I always said I was gonna be with a Upper Nui girl. Mea rawa ake. Meet this girl from Wairaka, who's now my wife, but who's also from whānau Upper Nui too, so I won at the end of the day. Her Kaua lives next to Kauai Tango here. So if I want to get back into hakas, there's my ticket to a haka group that I actually enjoy being a part of. Since ko mutu ke a te whānau a Panui. Ko mutu ke a te mātāroi. How do you keep your tools sharp? Normally I use a sharpening stone, my bro. I've got a sharpening wheel like a machine, but I've got nowhere to like store it and use it without people with sticky fingers finding it, you know? I feel like robbing is becoming more and more common these days with how much the country goes down the toilet. Single stone and oil. Water. I've never used oil, I just normally use the water. Thank you, Philip, for the Optimus Prime. 11 out of 30, chat. Thank you very much. Yo, Thunder, you heard from Fanta at all? Well, I gotta say, looking at some of the Majora's Mask stuff, the Mask guy's a bit of an asshole, eh? He's a bit of an asshole there, guy. How long you been carving for? Since I was 12. I'm 32 now. Have you ever played rugby? Yeah, way back in the day. Oi! solid. Oh yeah. My problem is I'm still getting used to being social. Oh, fair enough, my bro. Nah, I feel that. There's days when I'm like, oh, I don't want a social media today. Yeah, I saw your thing on Instagram too for suggestions. I unfortunately have to go already, bro. You should have went to bed at like 1 or 12, my bro. 2 a.m. You're crazy. Go and have a sleep, my bro. And thank you very much for tuning in. DPS trademark. Thank you for the Optimus Prime, and Philip with the 100 biddies as well. Kia ora, my bro. Yeah, my bro, you should have been in bed ages ago. You didn't stay up late for me, brother. Damn. Where are we? Morena. Getting close to pro, hopefully. Oh, nice, brother. Just keep going, my bro. Next time I'll come in. Nah, the thing with me, right? Like, I want people to join the stream when they can. Like, yeah, don't be like, oh, I gotta get up early, you know. I can always be here. Don't know for how long, but you know. Don't change your sleep schedule for me, alright? Getting that shape back because it was too up and down. Going to bed now. All good, man. Have a good sleep, eh? See you around. Do you do 21st keys? I have, but I don't really have time to right now. I was supposed to shape some more timber out today. This weekend I want to go and look for some timber. Hey there, I've been watching you for a bit for some time. Just wanted to say your woodworking skills are inspiring. Thank you very much, Sony. My G, thank you very much, brother. Did you get caught up with, what's the Twitch ANZ drama? Thank you very much, my bro. I'll be honest, bro, I've been so disconnected from everything, I don't even know. What's the Twitch ANZ drama? I know everyone's kind of sad that there's no Subfest next month, I think. Yeah, what's the Twitch drama? That's how much I've been staying in my own lane, eh? Just been doing my own thing. I feel like a lot of people like inserting themselves into drama quite a lot recently. But yeah, I've been pretty oblivious. I didn't even know there was Twitch ANZ drama. Is it that those ones that had a interview with DJ Clancy? Isn't that one? Sorry, you've got my attention. I wanna hear the goss. What's the goss, my bro? Yeah, that one. Wait, people didn't like the interview? What was he saying? Just like how OC's kind of getting shafted. Is that what it's about? What's your piece for? Birthday. Nothing that bad. Just saying we're pretty much on our own. Oh yeah, no, I can kind of see that. I will admit it was kind of shit when was out of the blue there. Miss Potter had to resign. That was kind of dumb. Yo, Australia's fishing. Thank you very much for the raid, brother. Hey, what you doing? It's cold. Go inside. Haere ki roto I te whare, please. Yeah, I'm gonna finish up soon and I'll give you big hugs, okay? Oh, my daughter's doing the I want you. Kia ora, Australia's fishing. Thank you very much for the raid, bro. Hope you had a wonderful stream, brother. Get you over 200 views. Oh, appreciate that, man. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, brother. Hold up. This laptop is gonna go boom boom soon. See you later, bro. Getting hammered with work. Oh, yeah. All good, brother. I can understand, like, Twitch ANZ creators feeling that way. Like, we're on our own, but my honest opinion, Potter did a lot for us. Yeah, she so did. I think I can say with confidence that there'll be no more haere ki roto I te whare. Aye, watch me on the TV and then I'll come inside. Yeah, I think I can say with confidence that there's gonna be no Maori language week features and all that. I think a lot of that's been cut. Like, I think Subfest might be cut too. I'm not too sure. Oh, there's my laptop's flat notification. But it is yeah, definitely something I saw coming. But haere ki roto I te whare. Oh my god. You gotta gift me 10 subs for this. So, chat, my daughter wants to see her unicorn on stream. It even says hello. Hello. It even says hello. Look, I got happy birthday, girl. Fuck's sake. Alright. Yeah, she... Oh, Rob! I was telling my daughter that, bro. Thank you very much for the 10 bomb, brother. Subs for the unicorn. Oh, the unicorn ransom. Normally what I do to make her angry, I'll just go... And she's like, "Well, what are you doing?" This is the worst time for my laptop to stop taking power. TikTok, I am going to have to finish up soon so I can raid someone. Thank you very much for all the gifts on TikTok. I'll be back tomorrow. Okay, I think I can hear your feet coming. Thank you very much, TikTok, for the Aroha. I'll be back tomorrow. See, I got caught. I'll bring her inside, eh? Go inside. Oh, shoot. What? See you later, TikTok. Every time she gets mad, she'll go. I won't punch the unicorn. Shh. Can't believe I've got to do this for my child. Bro, this is my stream, not yours. The nerve of this damn child. Alright, guys. Sleep, unicorn, sleep. Alright, guys, that's gonna be me for today. She's really telling me to get inside now. Okay, who do we raid, guys? Thank you very much for the 10 bomb as well, Robo. Appreciate that, brother. Her name is Birthday Girl. We built them at, Build-A-Bear. Well, this was actually for my eldest daughter's birthday, and she kind of hijacked that it was her 6th birthday too. Yeah. He goes, no, it's my birthday too. It's like, sure it is, buddy. Sure it is. Alright, who should I send you to? Or should I just send you to T-Pain? I'm just gonna send you to T-Pain chat. I have to get a birthday girl inside. Oh, her name first was Sunshine Loveheart, and now it's changed to Birthday Girl. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go and be a dad. Yo, Thunder, let me know if you are keen for a mahi too. But for now, you just have a good one. I'll just send you to Zolo. Have a beautiful day. And I'll be back. Oh, no, I won't be back this evening because we didn't even get to shape out the timber. Yeah. We'll shape that timber out tomorrow. And then we'll, yeah, we'll shape that timber out tomorrow. And then we'll do an art stream tomorrow night too. Alright, have a good one. I'm going to take the unicorn inside. Once again, this unicorn can say hello. Have a good one, guys. Choo-choo. See you later, YouTube.